Objective: arrange the pattern pieces so their seam edges align. Click the Find button in the Tools section of the ExactFlat toolbar. In the command line, set the offset amount to a value that works best for you. The offset units are based on the document's unit system. Hover over an edge. The neighboring edge on the adjacent pattern piece highlights automatically. Click the edge and the neighboring piece automatically translates and rotates to match the selected edge's orientation. Repeat for all seam edges to arrange the full set of pattern pieces. Adjust any pattern pieces as necessary by using the Move or Rotate commands or the gumball. Tip: if the Find tool fails to find and orient the adjacent pieces, it is an indication that a seam is not being detected by ExactFlat, and there might be a gap between the pieces. Key result: all pattern pieces are arranged with their seam edges aligned